We're trying to do a little video here at Magic Hour, Flying Fox Fruits, Adam Shaffran, Chris Lehman, Freedom Fruits on camera. Let's just buzz through some jabuticabas real quick. This is a white jabuticaba. We already showed this in another video. Plania Ariana, jabuticaba branca. This looked like trash, didn't it, Chris?
Yes,
like
absolutely.
2 or 3 weeks ago. And look, we got nice new growth coming out. Everyone loves the foliage. It's got fruit on it. I like a few here and there. I don't know if you want to show this some on the other side. It's kind of sparse, but this thing's coming back. It was looking like trash not long ago. Let's just buzz through this way. Let's show this. This is a Burrito Santensis I just put in a pot. I don't know if you want me to stand anywhere in particular. Schatzer is hybrid. Plania, I think it's Trunciflora crossed with the red. But look at that nice weeping shape. So I call that Schatzer's hybrid. It's cool. I've got it to flower and set fruit, but they fell off, so I haven't tasted it yet. But I think it's a hybrid of Trunciflora and the red jabuticaba that originates from his farm. I planted the seed. Beautiful tree. This is a Garcinia. We just put this in a bigger pot. Luke's Garcinia, grafted. And it was, oh, you saw it, Chris. It fell apart just about. It was hanging over, and I've got it staked with four different bamboo poles staked around it. And we just put it from a deep, one of them tall, deep, like a 5-gallon deep pot into this 30-gallon. And it's got water at the base. See, that's one thing people don't know, Chris. The Garcinias, like some of them, right? The ones from the Amazon. The rootstock I'm using is Garcinia brasiliensis, and I grafted Luke's Garcinia onto it. You can put these in a flood, dude, for a long time.
Wow.
You can just, they like wet feet.
They don't mind.
They like wet feet.
Like it. Don't mind it. They like it.
And I've heard that Luke's Garcinia in Mexico grows by water features, usually, about rivers or water.
Wow.
Rex is over there itching his face. Don't show it. But come on this way. Let's buzz through it, Chris. We're running out of time. Actually, look at it's gorgeous. Look at it's gorgeous. Oh, let me lock up these chinchillas. Look at this dude. He's trying to be last man. He won't go in. Hot shot. Trying to be a hot shot. Is he under there? This is what we have to do. Scare him out. Come on out, hot shot. Come on out, buddy. It's annoying when you don't want to go to bed. There he goes. Show me. Come on. Yeah. He's got sharp talent. Gosh, you will forget. It's better off just to forget about him than try to wrestle him up. This is a Kama. I just put these from a 15 into a 25-gallon. Myrcearia dubia. They say it's a superfood with high vitamin C content. These have fruited, and they're cold sensitive. They take down to like 32 degrees, maybe 30 when mature. But look how nasty the leaves look. They always look like a little beat up and ratty. And you know, I thought it was just my trees, but if I've seen pictures of these in the wild, and it's about the same thing. The leaves kind of look ratty on them. The old ones do. They don't last, the leaves don't last too long. And then they just push out new growth, and as long as the new growth comes out looking good, you're good.
Always cycling, kind of.
Yeah, look over here. Look, healthy new growth. Like, this is how you know not to worry. Healthy new growth. It ain't super pale. See the coloration? And when it gets super pale, you better worry. Mosquitoes are getting us. But yeah, there's some new nice growth, and I think it's gonna flower again. I don't see many flowers yet, but you see it popping out, new growth. And then there's another Camu right here. These have fruited now. They have been fruiting, not a ton of fruit, but they were root bound, and I just put them in a bigger pot. And show some of the bark on it down at the base, maybe. They branch out, they sucker out sometimes, and it's kind of a peeler, likes to peel. Oh yeah, on this side there's good peeling going on. Anyway, it's all good. You ain't gonna be able to see it too well, but that's the Camu. You see, I keep them in a dish. They like that wet. Check out over here. Let's show them something new today. Rex, go! I see this frisbee shape. Yeah, I'm gonna throw it out here. Here you go. Can he get it? Oh, he got it. Good boy. Good boy. It's just magic hour. He's tearing it up. Oh yeah, this is that again. We've already shown this in another video. The Pseudonymous umbellifera, whatever. The Monos plum. Look at that flower though. Look at, they're trying. I wonder if it's gonna set fruit. I've never tasted it before. It'd be wonderful for this to set fruit. It's a grafted tree. Was sent to me from a good friend of mine that lives in Vieques. So we appreciate that. Puerto Rican origin. It looks a lot like a patanga tuba.
Yes.
Look at this. Strigid peas looking good. I'm just doing a run through. Here's your lemon drop mangosteen. Looking decent. I don't see much fruit on it. It had fruit. Oh, they are. They're coming again. Another crop. Look, they're in there. Some greenies. See that? Green. Green one. And then I'll put my hand behind. There's some over here, about here. I'll put my hand just to show them. There's some fruit. These things fruit a lot, man. Don't have to be perfect. Yeah, I see it. And then let's show them a Paulista. This tree right here. This is Jabuticaba, a variety called Paulista. So, Myrcieria, oh no, Myrcieria, Plinia cauliflora. They used to call it Myrcieria cauliflora. But maybe back up and show the whole tree. And then I want to show you something along this. If you come look at this, look here. This is where it got some kind of wound. Look at this whole wound. And look at it. And they heal from a wound so well, you'd never know, you know? Look at that, the length of that wound. And I don't know what caused it, if it was like fungus or ants, but sometimes ants can get underneath the bark and they'll try to nest underneath the bark and make it
Mine all the nutrients.
Yeah, look at that heartwood there. And that's dead, rotted, but it's gonna just swallow this wound up and seal it up over time. It doesn't seem to hurt the tree. It has not skipped a beat. So Jabuticabas heal really well from big injuries. That's my experience. If it doesn't kill the tree, it only makes it stronger. Oh, what? Look. Boom, I'll take it. Oh, somebody did me in. Somebody been pecking at my patanga too, but man, I have to eat the other half. That didn't taste good. I probably got hantavirus from a freaking rat. Oh, look at what we did, Chris. Tell them about it. We planted some pigeon peas out here. This is gorgeous. Show them the sky. Look at that skyline. Look at the colors on that. From the pink and the blue, what is going on?
Sherbert.
Whoa, that's crazy looking.
Sherbert.
Look at that. Whoa, let's come over. Look at the details over here on this. Whoa. Look at that right through here. That's crazy. Maybe we should come over this way real quick. But look at the details on this. Look at that. I like the contrast. Look at the contrast on the clouds. Like come over here real quick and then show the... Actually, can I see it? I'll give it right back. I just want to like...